Hey everyone, hope you're doing well and staying safe out there. So it wasn't so long ago that the wonderful people of L-Acoustics contacted me with regards to being a potential ambassador on their collaboration with JH Audio, and I'm sure you guys have heard by now about the newly released Contour XO in-ear monitors. If you know anything about L-Acoustics, you know that they're innovators, and of course I was very excited to hear about the product and wanted to jump on board. So recently I've received my pair, and what I wanted to do was just give my impression after I've had a first listen, and I've just done that. So I wanted to put in place a few controls. The way I did that was to take some of the tracks that I would typically listen to in a live environment after I've been handed over the PA before I do a mix. I've taken those tracks, brought them into the studio here. I'm very familiar with this environment, and I've listened to those tracks in here, and then taken those tracks and I've listened to them on the in-ear monitors, and straight away I can tell you I was very, very impressed. The in-ears are deep. Sonically, they are very wide range, and while I'm not, standing in front of a big PA system and getting that physical impact that you would get, I just have that same feeling that I would get standing in front of a PA. So that's a wonderful thing. As soon as I, got to that point, I started thinking about the applications on where I could use this product, and first one would be in a rehearsal situation. For me in the past, sometimes I've been thrown in a room or off in a corner with some monitors on sticks and expected to deliver a mix in a less than ideal acoustic environment. And straight away now I'd put these in and know that, because they've been modelled on the L-Acoustics Contour and the L-Acoustics sonic signature, that there's decisions I would be making with regards to tone and EQ would be very close to when I actually get to put the mix on a full PA. So I'm very excited about that. The other one for me, being that I do some studio mixing, is just another reference point once a mix gets finished, to make sure that any little imperfections that sometimes you wouldn't hear on one listening system, that I can listen to the IEMs and hear anything that I might have missed listening on my other system. So that's very exciting as well. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, but the other little exciting piece of news is that when you purchase these IEMs, you also get an activation key for the new desktop Elisa system. So very exciting what's happening there, and it's all getting released very, very soon. But basically there's some very exciting potential in the binaural space. So have a look on the website, and it'll tell you a little bit more about that. So that's my first impression. I hope it's been helpful. If you want to have a listen to the in-ears, you of course can go to any of the JH Audio centres that are around the place. If you're close to me, I have the generic pair, so feel free to come and find me and have a listen to them. And hope you get to listen to a pair soon.